Hi everyone, welcome back to AK Flutter. Today we'll talk about adding video calling to your Flutter app using ZEGOCLOUD's Video Conference Kit. It's an easy-to-use tool that helps you create smooth and reliable video calls. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to set it up. Let's get started. ZEGOCLOUD provider rich developer resources, including useful code snippets. Open source sample project. ZEGOCLOUD offers pre-built UI kits to simplify the de-allotment process. With UI kits, you can go live in minutes with only a few lines of code. They offer UI kits for various use cases and devices, and they support Flutter, React Native iOS, and for more apps. And their easy-to-integrate SDKs are available for 18 programming languages and frameworks, making it flexible for your development needs. And ZEGOCLOUD offers more than 20 pre-built UI kits that cover various use cases and devices, like group call kit, video consultation, and more. And ZEGOCLOUD offers a free trial. You can get 1,000 minutes for free by signing up. Signing up is quick and easy. Just follow the on-screen instructions to create your free ZEGOCLOUD account and unlock your free minutes. For example, put the first name and fill out the required fields here. You choose to agree to the terms and then request your verification code form here. It will be received via email. Let's enter the password and let's go. Once you're synced up, you'll be ready to dive into the ZEGOCLOUD developer resources and start integrating video calling functionality into your app. Here, mention the different section of the dashboard, like projects, create your first project, company name, and industry, to give viewers an idea of the information they will need to provide to get started, which suggests that ZEGOCLOUD helps users find the right solution based on their needs. Can talk about this and mention that it simplifies finding the right video call features for your project. Here we have finished the account registration process to get 10,000 minutes. Now let's create our first project in ZEGOCLOUD. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see a blue plus button labeled Create Your First Project. Click on it. There are many use cases for your app, like video call and more. Select the type of project you want. In our case, choose Video Conference from the options. Next, you'll be asked to name your project. Let's call it Video Conference. Once that's done, click Start with UI Kits. This will automatically set up the basic configurations for you, making it super easy to get started. And that's it. Your project is created. On the framework selection page, you'll see different platform options, like Web, iOS, and Flutter. Since we're building with Flutter, click on the For Flutter option. You'll reach the UI configuration page. If everything looks good, click on Save and Start to integrate. You'll then be directed to the Obtain configuration page. This page provides two important pieces of information, the app ID and app sign. These values are essential for connecting your Flutter app to ZEGOCLOUD services. Finally, press the Quick Start button, which will take you to the Quick Start Guide page. This guide contains everything you need to start integrating ZEGOCLOUD into your Flutter project. Now we will work on Integrate the SDK. Step 1. Copy this line. After creating a new Flutter project, open your terminal and run this command to add the ZEGOCLOUD Video Conference SDK to your project. Open your pubspec.yaml file and look under the Dependencies section. You should see the ZEGOCLOUD package listed here. If it's missing, try running flutter pub-get to fetch it manually. Here we need to add both app ID and app sign. Now let's creating a core folder inside the lib and name it core. Then inside this folder, create a file named constants.dart. This file will hold important values, such as your app ID and app sign, which you'll get from the ZEGOCLOUD admin console. In the constants.dart file, create a class named constant. Inside this class, we'll add two static variables, app ID as integer and app sign as string. Go to the browser and scroll down. Now copy this code, go to View folder and create a file to put this code. Paste the code here. You will need to now import material package, then import ZEGOKit package. Then replace your app ID and your app sign with constant.appid and constant app sign. Go to the browser and scroll down. Now you can see steps for configure your project. To configure the Android project, follow these steps. Copy this line under Dependencies, navigate to Android/app build.gradle, and paste it here. Next, let's update the Min SDK version to 21. Still in the same file, find the default config block. Locate the line that says Min SDK version. If it's set to a lower version like 16 or 19, update it to 21. Now, scroll to the top of the same file and look for the Compile SDK version. If it's not already set, update it to either 33 or 34. This ensures that your app is compiled using a compatible version of the Android SDK. Then navigate to the file located at android/build.gradle. Scroll to the end of the file and paste the following code. Now save the file and we go to Browser to add permissions. First add the following code. Go to the Android app/sars/main Android manifest.xml file. Inside the manifest tag, add the permissions just before the application tag. These permissions are critical for enabling internet access, camera, and microphone functionality in the app. Save the file and ensure there are no errors. Now navigate to the Android apps directory of your project. Then inside the app folder, create a new file named progrard-rules.pro. This rule ensures that all classes and their members under the ZEGO namespace are not obfuscated by Progrard. In this file, and paste the code, save and close the file. Then go to build.gradle file in android/app/build.gradle path. Scroll down to find the release build configuration inside the build types block. If the release block doesn't exist, add the following code. After adding the Progrard configuration, save the build.gradle file. Now we have to run the project and try that everything is fine. It will take some time, and this is normal. This page is pre-built and contains a text controller. This controller tracks what the user types, ensuring that the input can be passed to the next page. It also contains a text file for typing the user ID. There is also a button that when users click this button, they are taken to the video conference page. When you click here and go to the video conference page that you have created previously, let's try now to create a video call. For example, I will put 1233 as the user ID and press the join button. Here we can see how easy it is to integrate ZEGOCLOUD features into Flutter and other apps. All the features of video calling are here, like turning off the camera, controlling the voice, inviting users to a call. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in the next video.